Hi, I'm Maria McCool. I'm a stylist, salon owner, product inventor, and founder of Calista. Today, I'm excited to share more about one of my favorite styling essentials, Embellish Texturizing Foam. So many of my clients often tell me how confusing it can feel trying to choose the right wet styling product for their hair after shampooing. They want to add fullness and volume that lasts all day, but instead of building body and bounce, the weight of a thick mousse actually collapses their hairstyle and gels leave their hair feeling sticky and stiff. That's why I created something different to use on your wet hair before styling, Embellish Texturizing Foam. I developed this styling foam to infuse volume, hold, and texture into damp hair without stiffness and/or crunch. This light as air formula starts as a liquid but dispenses as a soft foam, so it spreads evenly through your hair without adding weight or leaving any residue. It's a part of our Embellish collection, which means it's powered by vitamins and minerals, plus our fiber technology, which plumps up each strand for a fuller, thicker looking hair that holds its shape while still feeling soft and touchable. Now let me show you how to use it. First, be sure to remove excess water and detangle your hair with our smoothie brush. Dispense one full pump into your palm and rub your hands together so the formula is all over your fingers and palms. Start working the foam through your hair in the front and move towards the back, distributing evenly from roots to ends. At any time, if you feel your hands have no product on them and you still have a section or two to do, add another pump and repeat the application to the remaining sections. To get maximum results, it's important for you to add the foam evenly, roots to ends, on all of your strands. On my hair length, I use a total of 2 pumps, one for the front and one for the back. You will quickly figure out the right amount for your hair too. For extra volume, be sure to over-direct your root area while blow drying with a smoothie brush or a round brush. For enhancing your natural texture, Embellish Texturizing Foam also works amazingly. Once again, dispense one full pump into the palm of your hands, rub your hands together so the formula is all over your fingers and palms, then scrunch it into each section of your hair to define your waves or curls and let it air dry. The foam will add more spring to your waves and/or curls without making them crunchy, stiff, or sticky. Just soft, shiny hair that moves and bounces. Want to take Embellish Texturizing Foam with you on the go? Well, now you can with our new petite travel size. The 2-ounce bottle features the same foaming pump we love in a convenient size that's perfect for stashing in your gym bag, carry-on, or even an international trip. So whether your hair is extra fine or extra thick and you want more lift and lasting hold, or maybe you have waves or curls needing definition and shine, Embellish Texturizing Foam delivers the volume, control, and touchable texture you're looking for. Its lightweight, nutrient-rich formula with fiber technology makes styling effortless, longer lasting, and supportive of healthier hair with every single use. So as always, play, enjoy, and have fun styling.